So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Amazon call options here in Canada, ticker symbol AMZN, using Wealthsimple. So first thing you have to do is go into your Wealthsimple account, go to the bottom left here and press on the magnifying glass or the discover screen. So once you're now on the discover screen, what you can do, which is probably the simplest way, is to go to the search bar here at the top and type in ticker symbol AMZN for Amazon. And the one you're looking for is about two options down from the NASDAQ. It says AMZN with the options option beside. That's the one you're looking for. Or what you can do is press on cancel. You can go to the options tab right here, press on where it says more in the bottom right, and then just simply scroll down until you come across Amazon as well. So Amazon.com right here. Once you press on Amazon, if you want to buy some call options, you have to make sure that at the top it says Amazon will rise by. So you can go ahead and press on rise to make sure that call option is checked. But for whatever reason, if it is on put option, it'll say Amazon will fall. So just go ahead and press on fall and change that to where it says call option as the type of option. Now, if you want to change the expiry date, press on the expiry date right here. So for me, it's September 29th. If you want to go ahead and change that to a future date, you can go ahead and do so on this screen. So once that's done, you can either go ahead and press a strike price that is out of the money or in the money. So for demonstration purposes, if we wanted to go ahead and press on the strike price of in the money of $128 USD, we can go ahead and press on that. Now, if you want to confirm your purchase, go ahead to the bottom here, press on buy, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy Amazon call options here in Canada, ticker symbol AMZN here in Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.